Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work with Temu. Working with Temu can be a profitable venture if you approach it strategically. Whether you're looking to sell products, collaborate, or earn through your referrals, here's how you can maximize your efforts. First of all, you have to download the Temu app on your phone or your device and then become a reseller. Temu's competitive pricing makes it an excellent source for reselling purchase, purchase popular items in a bulk at discounted rates and sell them through your e-commerce platform, social media, or local markets. You can also create attractive listings with clear descriptions and high quality photos to draw in buyers. Second thing is leverage dropshipping. For entrepreneurs with inventory storage, Temu is a great platform for dropshipping. List Temu products on your online store and forward customer orders directly to Temu, and they'll handle shipping, saving you time and resources. You can also join the affiliate program. This is perfect for influencers and content creators. By promoting Temu's products via affiliate links, you can earn commissions on each sale. Tailor your promotion to your audience's interests for better results. Also, you can collaborate with Temu, so reach out to Temu for potential partnership or sponsored content opportunities. They often work with influencers to promote their platform and products, providing another way to earn. And you can also participate in promotions, so keep an eye on Temu's promotional events such as flash sales or giveaways. These can also attract more customers or boost your earnings through increased traffic. For additional tips, identify trending products and niches that align with your target audience and use data driven marketing to optimize your sales strategy and provide excellent customer service to retain and grow your customer base. These were some informations on how to work with Temu. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.